So this is how you launch a AMG. First thing you're going to want to do is go onto the setting and make sure none of them are blue. They're all at the right temperature. You come over to the gear stick. In the facelift, you have a little toggle. Looks a bit like this, and it has sport, comfort, and manual. So in this, it's just by here. You press that, and it will show you right at the top. So that's changed to S now, and we're gonna put it into manual. So one press, and that will get that on the screen for you. Click OK, and that will come off the screen. And now all you need to do is press the brake as hard as you can. When it says hold there, you have to press these two pedals at the same time. We'll say pedal up for race start, pedal down. So let go of that. So let go of that, and you're off. It will change gear on its own, so you don't have to. You put it into manual, but it goes into sport as soon as you've started moving, like change the gears on its own. M cars do this and AMGs do this. Thanks for watching.